Peace, blessings, and respect, family. Well, what's today? Today is March 11th, 3/11/2022. And you know what that means? That means it's that time of the month again. Don't you just love it when it's that time of the month? I know I do. I love this time of the month. Want to know why I love this time of the month? Let me show you. You know. Say what? All right. Yeah, check it out. So as I was saying, you know, it's that time of the month again, and I love this time of the month. You know why I love this time of the month? Because yes. What is this? What is this? That's right. You guessed it. More gold, baby. More gold. Yes. A stack of gold backs. Yes. 24 karat gold. Yeah. Voluntary currency. So when you don't want to be doing business with that fiat, you want to get you some real money. You want to guarantee that your money got some weight to it. You know, this right here. You know what I mean? You want the government out your business? This right here. You know what I'm saying? You want to be free of the system? This right here. You know, according to the Constitution, we do work. You can accept payment in physical gold, physical silver. You want to sell your house and you don't want that dead fiat funny stuff? Physical gold, physical silver. You want to sell your vehicle and you don't want that funny stuff. And the beautiful thing about these is the company that manufacture them, that put them out there, will buy them back. So, win-win. Let's put these in circulation. Let's get them out. Give them out as tips. You go to the restaurant, you go to eat, drop a couple on the table. You know what I mean? Get the buzz going. Get the word out there because this is the real deal. You know, your favorite rapper, your favorite local rapper, tell them quit flossing all that funny money and tell them floss some real money. You know what I'm saying? You know, put you some real stacks out there. It's that gold back. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Well, that's enough for me clowning for today. Keep an eye on the spot prices. You know, like I said before, it doesn't really matter what the spot prices are because we know that's the suppressed number. That's a rig made up number. But the beautiful thing about it is if you take the spot price and you multiply the spot price times the paper contracts, the paper to silver ratio, you know, it gives you a little idea of what the price of silver is. You take the total deficit and you divide that by the total number of ounces in gold, and that'll give you an idea of how much the value of gold is. And then you take that value and you go 10 to 15%. Let's say 10% of the price of gold. So at 30 trillion, 286 million, You do the numbers. That's how much an ounce of gold would be worth. And if you take 10% of that, that's the value of silver. So yeah, you guys want some gold backs? Holler at me. I got them for the low. And the thing is, you got to get them now because the prices are going up. So holler at your boy. Peace, blessings, and respect.
Would you rather have paper or gold?